So in a few days' time, there is a total eclipse of the sun, with the path of totality sweeping right down from the Arctic Ocean through Greenland and Iceland before sweeping into the Bay of Biscay and into Spain. For those of you in the UK, you are going to be getting over 90% coverage. But for me, having seen a total eclipse in Wyoming back in 2017, I am pretty keen to get right into the centre of totality, as that really does take things to another level. So here I am, currently in Bilbao, having driven down through France over the last couple of days in the camper van. But crucially, how do I plan to capture things this time round? Well, this time I will be using the mighty Mavic 4 Pro, sending that up into the sky just before totality sets in. What's very different about this particular eclipse is how late in the day it occurs. The sun will only be 7 degrees above the horizon because it is literally less than an hour before sunset. And it will go black literally just before sunset itself. That means I can get away with pointing the main camera of the Mavic 4 Pro straight at the setting sun without risk of damaging the camera. Not only have I taken countless videos and pictures of sunsets with all my DJI drones without issue, but this time I'm only going to be starting to record just before totality sets in, when the sun is already mostly covered and will be that much weaker. But what's really brilliant about my particular Mavic 4 Pro is that when I got it from DJI, it came with a set of these, the electronic ND filters that were never subsequently released due to a slight coloration issue when using maximum ND values. That won't be a problem for me in this scenario, and what it actually means is that I can adjust the ND value remotely, starting off with an ND 64, and then just as totality kicks in, I can drop that right down to an ND 4 without having to land the drone at all, which of course is essential given the whole thing is over and done in around 2 minutes. Having the drone up high will let me capture the dark shadow on the ground as well, just as I did with my original Mavic Pro back in Wyoming in 2017. But I have another tool up my sleeve as well. This is the Dwarf 3 Smart Scope from Dwarflabs. It's a completely new bit of kit for me. I've only had it a few weeks, but it is a smart telescope that can automatically track the sun whilst taking close-up shots and videos. So if all goes to plan, I can start taking close-up video just before totality kicks in, and then I can whip the magnetic solar filter off just as the sun goes dark, letting me take close-up video, hopefully, of the Bailey's beads and possibly even the diamond ring, if I'm lucky. Well, that is the plan anyway. Whatever happens though, my main goal is that I want things to be pretty much looking after themselves, because the most important thing to me is that I can actually enjoy the incredible spectacle itself. So the eclipse is this Wednesday, 12th of August, and for those of you in the UK, it's going to start around 6 PM with a maximum level of coverage around 7:15. Now, even though the sun is going to be low in the sky, you still have to make sure you use one of these to look through. You absolutely can mess up your eyes permanently by looking at the sun, even at that low level. Stating the obvious here, obviously do not use a telescope or binoculars, as that will definitely end badly for your eyes. Anyway, as you can see, up here in Bilbao, a little bit overcast and cloudy. That's why I'm going to be heading inland away from the coast, where the forecast is for clear skies and sun for the next few days. Anyway, fingers and toes crossed. For those of you that want a quick look at what a full eclipse looks like, I'm going to link back to the old video I did from Wyoming 8 years ago, when I captured things with just an old GoPro and my original Mavic Pro, when I also looked a lot younger than I do now. Anyway, drop a comment below if you are planning to try and see the eclipse yourself. And until next time, let's hope for clear skies over the next few days. Cheers.